Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. So this is a very quick one, but if this is your first time coming to our channel, you are very welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. You're well appreciated. So like I said, this is a very quick one. Today is Friday. Actually, this video is going to be made today, uploaded today, and you're going to be watching it today. So yeah, I'm going to do all of that and make sure it's up at the right time. So Fridays are like very simple day. We always make this on Fridays, like for school lunch or for breakfast, but I have not been able to film it because I'm always very tired, or electricity problem, one thing or the other. I have not been able to film it, but today everything fall in place. So I said, let me show you guys how to make this very simple pancake recipe. Your kids are going to ask you every day for this one because it's so good and super simple for you mommies to try. Okay, make this for your kids and you will thank me for sure. So in the bowl, I already add my 3 large bananas, overripe bananas. I always have overripe bananas, whether for banana bread or for pancakes. I always have it. I added just 1 egg and I just whisk or mix that together. Now I'm sifting my flour. The reason you want to sift your flour is so you can get that fluffy feel you get. So I sift my flour, and yeah, I have 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm using 1.5 cup of flour, by the way. 3 large bananas, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon, not tablespoon guys, half a teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons of powdered milk. If you'll be adding liquid milk, there's no need adding water, or you can just go ahead and mix your milk in water. I didn't do that because I don't want a leftover milk. Like when you find out your liquid is too much, then you have leftover milk. I didn't want that, so I'm just adding the powdered milk, and then I will add water bit by bit until I'm satisfied. So if you want a pancake to come out like very sturdy, go ahead and make it thick in the mixture. But because we don't really like it very hard, we just want it to be fluffy, I'm going to mix to my taste. And I hope you enjoy watching this video. It's very simple. As you can see, everything has gone in the bowl. All you need to do is to whisk and make sure it's fluffy and the texture is very smooth. Okay, you can blend your banana into a puree if you want. I only match mine because we like the banana still there. Like we like to see a bit chunk of banana in there. So go ahead and mix, and yeah, enjoy watching. So for frying, what you need is a non-stick pan. I use this particular pan. I use it for my samosa and spring roll wraps. So don't mind the edges, okay? This pan has seen shege in this life. But yeah, let's focus on the pancakes. So I drizzled some vegetable oil. I use my brush to just spread it out. So what you want to use might be butter, margarine, or vegetable oil, soya oil, whatever grease that you have. You can use grease spray if you have that. So I'm using soya oil, which is what I always use for my meals. So you want to look for a cup or a spoon depending on the sizes you want to make. This is just going to help you get the same size all through, okay, unlike you having some deformed shapes. So go ahead and cover this for a few minutes for one side to cook, and once you flip this over, you don't have to cover it anymore because it's cooked and you just want the other side to get brown. Okay, I hope this is simple enough. It's very simple, by the way. You just want to make sure your heat is very low so you don't burn your pancake before it gets cooked. So once you put your butter, go ahead and cover it just for a minute or 2 minutes. Open and flip over, and once you flip over, you don't have to cover it anymore. This is as simple as it is in the video. This video is barely going to be edited. Like, I'm not going to remove any part. I'm just going to fast forward if it's getting too long. But yeah, this is the whole video and I'm sure it's simple enough. So try to make some pancakes for your kids. Tomorrow is Saturday, and that is one reason I'm even sending out this video today, so you can try it over the weekend and tell me how you like it. Okay. So guys, you can see how soft and fluffy this is even by looking at it. It tastes amazing. It's so good. You can add more sugar. You can even decide not to add sugar to this and it will still be perfect because the banana had to be overripe and it's sweet. If you know, you know. So yeah, I'm still frying though. This is not all of it, but yeah, let's dish this. You can see this green bowl is for my daughter and the other one is for me. We use chicken. We usually just use fried egg, but today we are not using fried eggs. We are using syrup. She's using syrup and I don't want that. I'm going to have mine with just the chicken. She's using this chocolate topping and some pancake syrup. Yeah, this is so good. Go ahead and try it tomorrow. Make it a date. Try it tomorrow. You don't need to use chicken. You can just use fried eggs, scrambled eggs. Yeah, just go ahead and enjoy your morning with your kids tomorrow with this recipe. Reason I am making sure this goes up today. Goodbye and have a blessed day. I love you guys. Bye.